Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your deleted friends on Facebook. Let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook app. Then tap on the menu bar. After that tap on the gear icon. Then scroll down. Under your activity, you will find activity log. Tap on here and then scroll down, and in here you will find connections. Tap on the arrow. After that you will find a lot of options. Then you guys can see removed friends. Tap on here. Then you can find out the name of the friends that you have removed from your profile, and you will also find out the date when you have removed your friend. So this is how you can find out your deleted friends on Facebook. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.